How'd your colonoscopy go? Oh, honey, I gotta call you back. I'm up next. All right, I'll call you back. Okay. Hi. I was hoping you could help me out today. Let me just tell you, I opened this yogurt and something's wrong with it. It's just a little off. I can't put my finger on it. It's a little off. I brought a spoon. It's not right. One more taste. Something's wrong. I would like to fully return it and get a refund and a store credit. What do you mean I ate the whole thing? Of course I was gonna eat some. I had to see if it was bad. It's bad. How was I supposed to tell? Sherry, they won't take my yogurt back. They won't take my
Excuse me, are you excited that today's Halloween? Because I'm very excited. Oh, what's my costume? Why don't you guess? Ready? I'll give you a hint. Do you give up? Nope, you're wrong. I'm actually Han Solo frozen in carbonite from Star Wars Episode 6 Return of the Jedi. I thought it was a really good costume idea. So, what are you supposed to be? You cannot be that in school. That is really inappropriate. I cannot believe you would even think that that could be allowed in school. I'm reporting you to the teacher. Miss, excuse me. I can't raise my hand, miss. But I hope you hear me. They're wearing a really inappropriate costume. And you either need to send them to the nurse to change their costume right now, or I'm reporting you and them to the principal for being inappropriate.
Get together. Let me take a picture of you. Spider-Man, come back here, Spider-Man. Cheese. Oh, that's a winner. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Did you say thank you? Thank you. Where are your manners? Thank you. I always hated her. You guys gotta say trick or treat. Why doesn't anyone say trick or treat anymore? They're too cool for that. Oh my God. Oh, that is the cutest group of superheroes I've ever seen. If I have to tell you to stop running again, no more candy. I'm not kidding. Get your act together. Let's go. Trick or treat. I'm exhausted. Oh God. How are you? How are you? Thank you. Just one. Did you take just one? Let me see. Go put that back. Not the whole bowl, Rebecca. Put your hat on for the picture. You spent $25 on that hat. He had to have that hat. Doesn't want to wear it. Every freaking year. I'm not spending another dime on Halloween. Excuse me, put your jacket on. Yeah, even the Wicked Witch of the West gets cold sometimes. Jacket. You get pneumonia? Don't come to me. All right, will someone give me a Skittles or something? I have a sweet tooth. Give your mother a Skittles.
Joshua, can I ask you something? 6 feet aren't an inch, right? No? I'm such a crackhead. Oh my gosh. Wait, your hands are so big. We should compare. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed right now. I'm so petite. So petite. Hey, bestie. Joshua's your crush? I know. Oh my gosh. Did I just out your secret? I'm so sorry. But wait, don't be mad. He already knew, right, Joshua? I mean, like, yesterday I was on FaceTime with him, so I told him. I mean, it was a school project. Yeah. No, we're just a couple of besties. I literally promise. Literally. Yes. Just besties. Besties.
Like the Atlantic and I'm going down like the Titanic. Scared of the water cause I always feel exposed. Can't see below me so I try my best to float. But then I met you and you made me less afraid. And if I drown, my last words will be your name. Let's not compare to Jack and Rose. I was making enough room so you're out of the cold. I'll keep my promise, I'd never let you go. As a soulmates for real, but now I know you have my heart, don't drop it in the ocean. I'm not used to writing out my emotions. I'm hiding nothing, it's all out in the open. No icy livers that would leave a ship broken. Skies blue like the Atlantic and I'm going down like the Titanic.
Oh my goodness, hey, oh my God, happy Halloween. Oh, no, I'm not chaperoning. I left in such a rush on Friday. I had to come in today because I left my candy in here. I left my catties. Now I can't find them, but I'm so glad I caught you. You ready for your date tonight? Oh, honey, of course it's a date. You're both chaperoning. You're both wearing a couple's costume. Yeah, what is it? I haven't seen that show. Okay, so you're going to go as like and then he goes as, oh, that'll be so cute. You got to take pictures. Oh my God, you got to take pictures. And I'm literally going to put a time in on Monday for us to fully debriefed. Ah, so exciting. Me? Well, I'm supposed to have cat ears, but I just can't seem to find him. Hold on. Go Fakani. Hi, honey. No, I haven't found him yet. Yes, they are in the cauldron. Okay, well, I'll be home in a second. All right, bye-bye. No, no, that was nobody. Ignore it. Look at this. Ready? I am the cat's pajamas, huh?
I think Uno has a crush on the princess. No, let's give her some treats. In this game, there's a mini game called Poppy Cats. Oh my god, this game is so fun. And so cute. Not as cute as you, Uno. He's like, I know. This is what our house looks like. This kind of makes me want to get a second cat. Uno, do you want a sibling? That's very much a you.
Hello? What do you want? Yeah, I'll go into your room and turn off your game, but next time, don't call me while I'm doing my makeup. This looks like fun. Maybe I'll play a game. How the hell do you work this thing? Oh, hello? Oh my god, hi. Oh, I'm Brandon's sister. Yeah, I just wanted to, like, play a game or something. Okay, yeah, let's play. What are we playing? Okay, but, like, someone has to teach me, because I don't know, I've never played a game before. Don't tell Brandon I was on here. He'll literally kill me. What's your name? Tyler? Nice to meet you, Tyler. Let's get started. What do I do? Alright, cool.
Oh my god, of course we're gonna be recognized. Why do you think I brought my sunglasses? I wonder if they're gonna be good because like all the talent left when we graduated, so. Hi! I was Mimi last year. 525,600 minutes. Ring a bell, anyone? The set looks good, like. Hi! Of course we were gonna come back and support our alma mater. Alma mater! Support the arts! Support the arts! I hope they're not nervous, like, with us in the audience. So weird to be sitting here and not being on stage, you know? I bet they're gonna suck, like. She's really good. Not as good as you or me, but she's really good. Like, that was us. Like, that was us up there.
Dude! Bro! Ayo! Slime! I like your cut, G. Hey! How many points did you and the boys score at the football game last night? You won 32-24. Nice! Where was I? Dude, I told you I would be drinking some brewskis with the broskies. Hey, a big dog. How are things going with you and Miranda? Hey, have you yet? Or are you still stuck on first base? Hey, yo. No, dog, dude, mad dog over here is capping. Straight up cap. Hey, you'll get there someday, G. Yeah.
Emily?
Oh, sorry, are you saving these for Halloween? Or
What are you doing in my basement?
your daughter told me I could rent this place for a little while. So,
Oh, really? What's her name?
think of a basic white girl name. Sarah.
It's Riley.
Oh, yikes. Yeah, listen, my mom and I had a little fight tonight over the dishwasher. She wants me to do the dishes, but it's like, seriously, Mom, do I look like Cinderella to you? Like before her glow up, like maybe after, maybe, but like.
Hey girl, I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you. Come on and let me sneak you out and have a celebration. A celebration. The music up, the windows down. Yeah, we'll be doing what we do. Just pretending that we're cool and we know it too. Yeah, we'll keep doing what we do. Just pretending that we're cool. So tonight, let's go crazy, crazy.
I got no hours of sleep last night. We had homework? What? When? This is not good. Do you know when like your blood pressure is going down? Well, my gum level is going down. I need more gum to think. I found it. You want one? No? Okay. More for me. Alien invasion. Tony caught a case. Well, you didn't elaborate. Sorry. Someone stole it. Talk to my lawyer.
Stop worrying about it. My mom can pick us up. I promise. I'm gonna spend a wad today. I have so much extra money from all the times my mom pays me to shut up. Guys, I'm gonna spit over the edge on someone. Can we pop into Hot Topic really quick?
Huh? Are you goth or something?
No, I just want Dan and Phil merch, bitch. Should I try coffee? That's insane! Squad, what if we go in here and because it's so dark, we like act like we can't see and pull out our flashlights? I literally can't believe they kicked us out. Like, I was like probably gonna buy something, so joke's on them. Everyone, can we budget our time a little bit? Like, we have to spend at least 40 minutes in Yankee Candle sniffing every scent. My favorite store is the food court. Swag. No, my mom says I'm not allowed to go into Journeys. She doesn't like me looking at street fashion. Stop taking pictures, you guys. I'm trying to actually buy something. Mom, we've been done for like 40 minutes. I didn't think I had to call you.
Glow Up LEDs is having a flash sale with 40% off on their best-selling LED strips. Click the link in the description and use the discount code below for an extra 10% off. Orders go towards supporting this channel.